Multiplying monomials and binomials, part 2. In this particular situation, we want to make sure that we've covered these. Again, you may use the box method here, or you may use FOIL. It is up to you. And again, it doesn't matter which side this goes on. 2y times 2y is 4y squared. You're doing the same thing right there, 4y squared. 2y times negative 3. Notice here you're doing 2y times negative 3, which is negative 6y. When I multiply the inside, I'm multiplying right here, I get positive 6y. And 3 times negative 3, or 3 times negative 3, negative 9. Either way that you work this problem, you're doing the same thing. Here are negative 6y, positive 6y, like terms. Like terms right here. Notice that negative 6y plus 6y is gone. There's 0. So I have 4y squared minus 9. Right here, I get 0. I've got 4y squared minus 9. You may work this either method that you choose. I'm not going to work this one. It works out the same way. What I want to do is talk about this one because everyone forgets. Squared means that I should have something twice. That means that the entire parenthesis is written 2 times. So to do that, again, I can do the box or I can do FOIL. 2b5, 2b5. FOIL, 2b times 2b is 4b squared. 2b times 2b is 4b squared. 2b times 5 is 10b. Up here, 2b times 5 is 10b. 2b times 5 is 10b. Right here, you're going to get 10b. 5 times 5 or 5 times 5, both places, it is 25. Combining my like terms, 10b plus 10b or 10b plus 10b. In either case, I have 4b squared. Right there, right here. 10b plus 10b is 20b. I am not multiplying, so I do not change exponents. 10b plus 10b is 20b. Plus 25 plus 25. Either place, I will get this answer right here. Okay, 3a minus 2. 3a minus 2. It is squared. I should write it twice. I do not do 3a squared and negative 2 squared. If I were to do that, 3a squared would be 9a squared, and negative 2 squared is a positive 4. That would be your answer, and I'm going to show you why it's wrong. When I do the box or FOIL, 3a minus 2, 3a minus 2. 3a times 3a is 9a squared. I'm going to get negative 6a. Right here I'm going to get negative 6a. And a negative times a negative is a positive 4. If I had FOILed, I would get 9a squared minus 6a minus 6a plus 4. When I combine my like terms right here, people think that negative 6 minus 6 is 0. But if you use your calculator correctly, negative 6 minus 6, that's what I have. That is not 0. So I have 9a squared minus 12a plus 4. Do you see that this is a trinomial, 3 terms, but up here, if I had just squared this term and squared that term, I only get a binomial. It's wrong. You must FOIL or use the box and write it twice. This is your final answer. And now you can go work on the assignment.